Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name's Jordan and I'm here in sunny California.
And I'm Kylie. I'm from Texas, but I live in New York now. So happy to be here today.
So Kylie, how's your day going so far?
Oh, pretty good. Although I just looked at my closet this morning and wow, I really need new clothes.
Really? What happened?
Well, I opened the door and I saw the same 5 shirts I always wear, the same jeans, the same everything. I think it's time to go shopping.
Nods. Oh, I totally understand that feeling. I do the same thing. I wear the same clothes every week.
Right? It's like I have clothes, but I don't want to wear them anymore.
Exactly. So are you planning to go shopping soon?
Yes, maybe this weekend. I'm really excited, but also a little nervous.
Nervous? Why nervous?
Because shopping can be really stressful sometimes. Like, where do I even start? What do I buy? How much money will I spend?
Oh yeah, I get that. Shopping for clothes can be easy or really difficult. It depends on the day, right?
Yes, some days I go to the store and find everything I love. Other days, nothing fits, nothing looks good, and I just go home.
That's so true. So where do you usually like to shop?
I like a few different places. I love going to the mall because there are so many stores in one place, but sometimes I also shop online.
Oh, the mall. I haven't been to the mall in a long time.
Really? Why not?
I don't know. I think I just got lazy. It's easier to shop online from my couch.
That's fair. Online shopping is so convenient. You can do it at midnight in your pajamas.
Exactly. But you know what? I actually miss going to stores sometimes.
Yeah? What do you miss about it?
I miss trying things on. Like when you shop online, you never really know if it will fit. The pictures look great, but then it arrives and makes disappointed face. It's terrible.
Oh my gosh, yes. That happens to me all the time. I order a dress and it looks so beautiful online. Then it comes and it's way too big or way too small.
Right. Or the color is totally different.
Yes, I ordered a blue shirt once, and when it arrived, it was like purple. I was so confused.
That's the worst. So then you have to return it, and that's a whole process.
Ugh, returning things is so annoying. You have to pack it, print a label, go to the post office. I just want my money back easily.
Yeah, that's why I like shopping in person. If something doesn't fit, I just don't buy it. Simple.
That's true. Plus, in a store, you can see the material, feel the fabric. You know if it's good quality or not.
Exactly. Online, everything looks nice in photos, but you can't touch it.
So, do you like shopping for clothes, Jordan?
Hmm, I like it, but I'm not great at it.
What do you mean?
Well, I'm not very good at choosing colors or styles. I usually just buy the same kind of clothes every time. Like, I see a t-shirt, I buy it in 3 colors. Done.
Oh, you're a simple shopper.
Yeah, very simple. I like comfortable clothes. I don't care too much about fashion.
That's okay. Comfort is important. I mean, what's the point of wearing something if it's uncomfortable, right?
Exactly. I hate tight clothes or itchy fabrics. I want to feel good all day.
Same. Like jeans. Some jeans are so uncomfortable. They look nice, but after 2 hours, I can't wait to take them off.
Yes, that's why I love sweatpants.
Sweatpants are the best. But you can't wear sweatpants everywhere.
Why not?
Well, like to a nice restaurant, to a job interview.
Okay, you're right. Maybe not everywhere, but at home, sweatpants only.
Fair enough. So, what kind of clothes are you looking for right now?
Right now, probably some new shirts. My old ones are getting worn out. The colors are fading.
Yeah, that happens. How long have you had them?
Maybe 3 or 4 years. I don't shop very often.
3 or 4 years? Jordan, you definitely need new shirts.
I know, but I just hate spending money on clothes. It feels expensive.
I understand. Clothes can be really expensive, especially good quality clothes.
Yeah, exactly. Like a nice pair of jeans can be 50, 60, even $100.
Ugh, I know. And sometimes you spend that much money and the jeans rip after a few months.
Right? That's so frustrating. You pay a lot and you expect it to last a long time.
Right. That's why I try to find sales. I never buy anything full price if I can help it.
Oh, that's smart. Do you use coupons or wait for special sales?
Both. I love a good sale, like Black Friday, end of season sales, clearance sections.
You're a professional shopper.
Maybe. I just don't want to waste money. I'd rather get 2 shirts on sale than 1 shirt at full price.
That makes sense. I should start doing that.
You should. Also, a lot of stores have apps now, and you can get extra discounts with the app.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, you download the app, and sometimes they send you special codes or rewards.
That's cool. I'm not very good with apps, but I'll try it.
It's easy, don't worry. So, what's your favorite type of clothing to wear?
Favorite? Probably just a simple t-shirt and jeans. Classic, comfortable, easy.
You really are simple. I love that. What about shoes?
Shoes? Oh, just sneakers. I wear sneakers almost every day.
White sneakers or colorful ones?
Usually white or black. Again, simple.
I love it. Simple is good. For me, I like to wear dresses in the summer.
Oh yeah? What kind of dresses?
Light, flowing dresses. They're so comfortable when it's hot outside, and I don't have to think about matching a shirt and pants.
That's true. One piece and you're done.
Exactly. Plus, dresses are pretty. They make me feel nice.
That's a great reason to wear them. Do you shop for dresses often?
In the summer, yes, but in the winter, not really. It's too cold for dresses in New York.
Right, you need warm clothes in New York winters.
Oh my gosh, yes. I need sweaters, coats, scarves, gloves. Winter shopping is a whole different thing.
I bet. In California, we don't really need heavy coats.
Lucky you. I spend so much money on winter clothes. A good coat is like $200 or more.
Wow, really?
Yeah, especially a nice warm one. But I guess it's worth it if it lasts several years.
True. You use it a lot, so it's an investment.
Exactly. So, Jordan, do you ever shop with friends or family?
Sometimes. My sister likes to shop, so I go with her sometimes. She helps me pick things out.
Smiles. That's nice. It's fun to shop with someone.
Yeah, she's really good at it. She'll look at something and say, "This'll look great on you." And she's usually right.
That's a useful skill. I like shopping with my friends too. We give each other honest opinions.
Honest opinions are so important. Like, if something looks bad, your friend will tell you.
Yes, a good friend won't let you buy something ugly.
Exactly. Have you ever bought something and then regretted it later?
Oh, yes, many times.
Smiles. What happened?
Well, one time I bought a jacket because it was on sale. It was really cheap, and I thought, great deal.
And?
And I wore it once. Only once. I didn't even like it that much, but I bought it because it was cheap.
Oh no.
I know. I learned my lesson. Now I only buy things I really love, even if they're not on sale.
That's a good rule. Buy what you love, not just what's cheap.
Yes, exactly. It's better to spend a little more on something you'll wear 100 times than spend less on something you'll never wear.
Nod. That's really smart. I should remember that.
You should. It saves money in the long run.
So, what's the most expensive clothing item you've ever bought?
Probably a leather jacket. It was around $300.
Wow, that is expensive.
I know, but I saved up for it. And I still wear it all the time, so it was worth it.
That's good. If you use it a lot, then it's worth the money.
Yeah, I think so. What about you? What's the most you've spent on one item?
Probably a nice pair of shoes. I think they were around $150.
Not bad. Do you still have them?
Yep, I still wear them. They're really comfortable, and they look nice too.
See? That's a good investment.
Smiles. Yeah, I'm happy with them. So, Kylie, do you have a favorite store?
That's a hard question. I like a lot of different stores. I guess it depends on what I'm looking for.
Like for casual clothes?
For casual clothes, I like stores like H&M or Zara. They have cute, affordable clothes.
Oh yeah, I've heard of those. They're pretty popular.
Yeah, they are. The styles are trendy and the prices are reasonable. What about you? Do you have a favorite store?
I usually shop at Target or Old Navy. Basic clothes, good prices.
Smiles. Those are great stores. Target has everything.
Right? I can buy clothes, groceries, and home stuff all in one place.
So convenient. I love Target.
Me too. So, do you think you'll go shopping this weekend?
Yeah, I think so. I'm going to look for some new tops and maybe a pair of jeans.
Nice. Do you know what style you want?
Not exactly. I'll just try different things and see what I like.
That's a good plan. Keep it open.
Yeah, sometimes the best finds are things you didn't expect.
Not true. You go in looking for one thing and you find something totally different.
Exactly. That's the fun part of shopping.
Smiles. Yeah, it is. Well, I hope you find some great clothes this weekend.
Thanks. Maybe I'll send you pictures.
Please do. I want to see what you get.
Okay, I will.
So, before we finish, do you have any tips for our viewers about shopping for clothes?
Yes. I'd say take your time. Don't rush. Try things on. Make sure you really like it before you buy it.
That's great advice. Anything else?
Oh, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Store employees can help you find sizes or suggest things.
Not. Yes, good point. They know the store really well.
Right. What about you, Jordan? Any tips?
I'd say buy comfortable clothes. Don't buy something just because it looks cool if it's uncomfortable.
Smiles. Love that. Comfort first.
Exactly. And also, take care of your clothes. Wash them properly and they'll last longer.
Yes, read the labels. Some clothes need special care.
Not true. Okay, I think that's good advice for everyone.
I agree. Well, thanks for talking with me today, Jordan.
Thank you, Kylie. This was fun.
It was. And thank you to everyone watching. We hope this conversation helped you learn some new English words and phrases.
Yes, remember, shopping for clothes can be fun and relaxing. Take your time, find what you love, and enjoy the process.
And don't forget to wear comfortable clothes.
Yes, very important. All right, everyone. See you next time.
Bye. Happy shopping.
Bye.